Hello everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, we will create and configure a carousel layout using the Eventful plugin. Eventful works together with the Events Calendar plugin and allows you to display events in beautiful layouts without writing any code. Let's begin. First, go to Eventful in your WordPress dashboard. Click Add New Layout. At the top, enter a title for your layout. For this example, we will name it Carousel. Below the title, you will see different layout presets. Select Carousel. This layout displays events inside a sliding carousel that visitors can browse easily. Now we will configure the layout settings. First, open the Filter Events tab. This section controls which events will appear inside the carousel. The first option is Filter Events. Here, you can choose how events are selected. You can display the latest events, featured events, or specific events. If you choose specific events, you will be able to include or exclude individual events. Next, you can enable filtering options. These allow visitors to filter events directly from the front end. You can enable keyword search. You can also filter events by category or tags. There is also an option for live filtering, which updates the results instantly when visitors select a filter. Next is Order By. This setting controls how events are sorted. You can sort events by ID, title, event start date, event slug, or random order. In most cases, sorting by event start date is the best option because it displays upcoming events in the correct order. You can also set the order direction, such as ascending or descending. Then, choose how many events you want to display using the Limit option. Now let's move to Display Options. This section controls the appearance of the event's items. Here, you can configure the number of columns for different screen sizes. You can set the spacing between event items. You can also adjust border settings, border radius, and box shadows. These settings help match the event layout with your website design. Next, open Template Styles. Here, you can choose how the event content is structured. You can select the content position, such as the default layout. Below that, you will see the sortable event elements. These include the event thumbnail, event title, event meta fields, event content, and social share elements. You can arrange these elements to control how the event card appears. If you prefer a faster setup, you can also choose pre-made templates. These templates provide ready-to-use event card designs. Next, open the Carousel Controls tab. This section controls how the carousel behaves. You can set how many slides move at a time. You can enable autoplay, so the carousel automatically rotates. You can control the autoplay speed and the animation speed. You can enable pause on hover, so the carousel stops when visitors hover over the event. You can also enable infinite loop, so the carousel continues sliding without stopping. Next, open the Navigation section. This controls the arrow buttons used to move through the carousel. You can show or hide the navigation arrows. You can choose where the arrows appear and customize their size and colors. Next, open the Pagination section. Pagination indicators help users understand which slide they're viewing. You can show or hide pagination dots. You can also customize the pagination colors. Next, open the Miscellaneous Settings. Here, you can enable useful features such as keyboard navigation. This allows users to navigate the carousel using the keyboard. You can also enable Touch Swipe, which lets visitors swipe through slides on mobile devices. Mouse dragging can also be enabled, so slides can be dragged with the mouse. Now open Detail Page Settings. This controls what happens when someone clicks an event card. You can link the event card to the event's single page. You can also choose whether the link opens in the current tab or a new tab. Finally, open the Typography tab. Here, you can customize the text styles used in the event layout. You can adjust typography for event titles, event meta fields, event content, and read more buttons. You can control font size, alignment, spacing, and colors. Once everything looks good, click Publish. After publishing, Eventful will generate a shortcode for this layout. Copy the shortcode. Next, go to Pages and create or edit any page where you want to display the carousel. Paste the shortcode into the page editor. Then, publish the page. Now, visit the page on the front end. You will see your Eventful carousel layout displaying the events. And that's it. You've successfully created an event carousel using Eventful. Thank you for watching, and enjoy building beautiful event layouts with Eventful.